Hello everybody and welcome to my kitchen / editing desk here in Paris. I just completed an intro video for the cruise vlog series that I'm putting out on my channel. So let's roll that right now. In 2017, Princess Cruises hired me to shoot still images and videos on the Silk Road Journey, a 49-day cruise from Rome to Shanghai. I brought along my buddy Iouri as an assistant and a music composer for the project. I tried daily vlogging at the time, but our days were already super packed and I had to edit and deliver content for the client as a priority. We shot with Michelin chefs, met an NBA player, and traveled to 15 countries. What I want to do now is take a look at the footage and share with you the process of what it is to shoot and produce content on a cruise ship, with its limitations and being in a bubble for 2 months. As you can see, super hectic. It was crazy. I just thinking about it makes me makes me want to get some sleep because we didn't sleep that much for 2 months. Anyway, it's really fun to go back and look at that footage and see how I used to shoot 2 years ago and edit, and re-editing that now is a bit, it's just fun. It's fun to see the difference. And 2017 was one of the craziest years for me, and now I'm trying to slow down and be more intentional about things, and it's just fun to see how I was then and how kind of crazy I was, because back then and that year I only spent a month and a half, I think, total in my home base, and the rest of the time was just out and about. And this 49-day, which is actually 49 plus 2, we spent 2 days in the end on the ship. On a cruise ship was just insane. It was like being in a bubble. I didn't really know what was going on. I used to WhatsApp and email with family, but it was mostly the cruise ship life for that long. Imagine doing it for 1 week. It's already long, but that 50 days is just insane. You get these weird rhythms, but anyway, if you want to know more, if you're curious about the cruise in general, of how the cruise life is, how I shot on a cruise ship was, it was very stable, but that it's not as stable as you are when you're on land. Make sure to ask your questions in the comments, and I really appreciate reading your comments, and I'll try to get back to as many as possible. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you will stay tuned for more vlogs coming up from the cruise in the next few days and weeks. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Check out my Instagram for more photos. I posted a photo a day during this trip as well. So if you want to go check that out, it's 2 years ago, but you'll find it. And see you soon for more.